In this video, I will share with you top 5 best graphics cards under $300 in 2024 based on price and performance. Number 1. MSI Ventus 2X GeForce RTX 3060, 12GB. The MSI Ventus 2X RTX 3060 strikes a fantastic balance. This tried-and-true NVIDIA card boasts 12GB of GDDR6 memory, ideal for modern games with demanding textures. Plus, it supports ray tracing, the cutting-edge tech that adds realistic lighting effects for an immersive experience. While it might not be the absolute top dog in raw performance, the Ventus 2X offers excellent value and future-proofing for your gaming adventures. Why you will purchase: proven performer, great for 1080p and 1440p gaming, ray tracing capable. Number 2. Zotac GeForce GTX 1660 Super GPU. The Zotac GTX 1660 Super might be a generation behind, but it remains a compelling choice for budget-conscious gamers. This card delivers smooth performance at 1080p and even some lighter 1440p titles. While it lacks the ray tracing bells and whistles, the GTX 1660 Super makes up for it in pure affordability. Why you will purchase: unbeatable price point, excellent for 1080p gaming. Number 3. Asus Dual GeForce RTX 4060. NVIDIA's latest offering, the Asus Dual RTX 4060, is a strong contender in the sub-$300 arena. This card boasts impressive performance that rivals even some pricier options. It also features DLSS, NVIDIA's eye-powered tech that boosts frame rates without sacrificing image quality. If you prioritize cutting-edge features and raw power, the RTX 4060 is a tempting choice. Why you will purchase: excellent performance for the price, future-proof with DLSS technology. Number 4. AMD Radeon RX 6700. AMD throws its hat into the ring with the Radeon RX 6700. This card offers competitive performance to the RTX 3060 and boasts strong memory bandwidth for smooth gameplay. While ray tracing support might be a bit weaker compared to NVIDIA cards, the RX 6700 is a solid option for AMD fans looking for a powerful budget pick. Why you will purchase: strong competitor to the RTX 3060. Good choice for AMD enthusiasts. Number 5. Intel Arc A770 Limited Edition. Intel's Arc Alchemist architecture is a new player in the GPU game. The Arc A770 Limited Edition boasts a whopping 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, which is impressive for the price point. However, reviews are still emerging, and driver optimization is ongoing. If you're an adventurous user who wants to experience the latest tech and doesn't mind some potential hiccups, the Arc A770 could be an interesting gamble. Why you will purchase: intriguing new architecture, massive 16 GB of VRAM for the price.